comparison between Hadoop 2 and Hadoop 1. So replication is the major difference between Hadoop 2 and 3. So in Hadoop 1 and 2 we have yarn. Yarn is the major difference between Hadoop 1 and 2. But in Hadoop 2 and 3, replication is the major difference. In Hadoop 2.x, replication factor is 3 by default, and it is used for fault tolerance and recovery of the running jobs on any particular data node. If in case any job is failed, so we can easily recover with the help of replication factor. But replication solve the purpose of data recovery on any failed node, but it increase the extra overhead for the amount of disk space to be created while configuring Hadoop cluster. So if we have example, if we want to process 1 GB amount of data, then my SDFS storage needs to be 3 GB because my replication factor is 3. So that's the actual problem, that if we have 10 GB data, then we require 30 GB storage space to process 10 GB data. So this is the main drawback of Hadoop 3. To remove this limitation, Hadoop 3.x provides algorithm eraser coding. So eraser coding algorithm reduce the storage space by 50%. So suppose if I have 1 GB data, so then I need 1.5 GB of storage space to process this data. It's in Hadoop the storage space is 3 times, but in your Hadoop 3.x we required little more space. 1 GB is the actual size, so then we required 1.5 GB to process this data. So there are other differences as well, but as I highlighted, that replication is the main difference between 2 and 3. In Hadoop 3 they removed they solved this problem of replication with algorithm called eraser coding. So there are other differences. I'm telling you the other difference. The other difference is in Hadoop 2 support Java 7, Hadoop 3 support Java 8. Next difference is fault tolerance. As I told you on here in this section, that Hadoop 2.x handle fault tolerance by replication, but Hadoop 3 in Hadoop 3 we handle fault tolerance with the help of eraser coding. Okay, so replication 50% replication space will be reduced if we use this algorithm, and it's a wastage of space in Hadoop 2. So eraser coding actually use a RAID, redundant array of inexpensive disk. So we use 2 algorithms for eraser coding, XOR and Reed-Solomon algorithms used inside eraser coding to ensure the replication and the recovery of our running jobs. So if we start Hadoop 3 clusters, so right now we have these daemons running on in Hadoop 2.x. First is name node, second is data node, third daemon is secondary name node, fourth one is resource manager RN, and next daemon is your node manager, and sixth daemon is your application master. If we launch any application on any, submit any application on SDFS. But in Hadoop 3 we have 3 more daemons. First is EC manager. So along with these we have EC manager thread running in Hadoop 3.x, and another is EC client. So EC client is also a daemon thread in Hadoop 3, and next is data node extension thread, or you call it EC worker. So this thread is running on the data node, and EC manager is running on name node, master node. So these are the extra daemon threads running on in Hadoop 3.x. Now third difference is data balancing. So Hadoop 2.x uses SDFS balancer, and Hadoop 3.x uses intra data load balancer, which uses SDFS disk balancer CLI. In Hadoop we can install Hadoop in 2.x on Windows. Hadoop 3.x we can have support for Microsoft Windows. 2.x we can deploy it on Windows, but Microsoft support is not there in 2. So there are other differences in between 2 and 3, that both are open source. Both it supports Java 7, it supports Java 8. For fault tolerance we have replication. Here fault tolerance we have eraser coding. It uses 3x replication scheme. It use eraser coding encoding in HDFS. SDFS 200% overriding storage space. So if I have 1 GB data, then it requires 3 GB space. Here if I have 1 GB data, then it requires 1.5 GB space. If there is 6 block storage overhead, so if there is 6 block, so it will be 18 blocks occupied by the space of the replication scheme. If there is 6 blocks, so there will be 9 blocks occupied by the space, 6 block and 3 for parity. Parity check is used in eraser coding. Okay, now yarn timeline. So it uses old timeline service which has scalability issues. In Hadoop 3 it improved the timeline service by launching a new version 2, and improves the scalability and reliability of timeline service. Default port range in Hadoop 2 some default ports are Linux port range, but in Hadoop 3 have been removed. Tools, it uses Hive, Pig, Giraffe and other Hadoop tools. In Hadoop 3 supports Hive, Pig, These, Hama, Giraffe and other Hadoop tools. So there are more tools added in Hadoop 3 ecosystem. Compatible file system, HDFS, FTP. It stores on all its data on remotely accessible FTP servers, S3 and Windows Azure. It supports all the previous one, and also support Azure Data Lake file system. So MR compatible with Hadoop 1 to execute on Hadoop 2.x. Here also MR 1.x program can be able to execute those programs on Hadoop 3 as well. As I told you, support for Microsoft Windows, and in Hadoop works on the concept of slot. It works on the concept of container. Single point of failure. It has features to overcome a single point of failure. So by using HA cluster, high availability cluster, it also has features. So these this property is same in both the 2 and 3. This is also same in 2 and 3. Here we not able to install our Hadoop 2 on Windows, so that's the limitation. MR both support MR1. So these are the basic differences in between Hadoop and 3, Hadoop 2 and 3. But as I told you, this is the biggest difference, biggest achievement which Hadoop 3 provides, to that it reduces the storage space of data up to 50%. So as I told you, Hadoop 2.x takes 200% storage space, and it takes 50% storage space. So this is all I have from this session.